Hi there. I've been yexing from a shed in the jungle for a few hours tonight, maybe a bit more than a shed, and I've hung my Bonito Megaloop FX antenna from an old decrepit welding screen outside, just outside, in fairly close proximity to an electricity substation, which you may have seen in a previous video, but it doesn't seem to be causing that, well, it seems to be causing less noise than the TV does at home. You probably can't see that, that's basically the jungle. The time now here is 11:15, which makes it PM, which makes it 2:15 UTC. And I've been on Shortwave most of the evening, and now I'm just having a little look and listen at what I can get on FT8 on 40 meters. Got some decent signals. Now, according to grid tracker, 40 meters, well, 2 active TX, 44 receiving, versus 80, 40X in 29 receiving. Obviously, grid tracker thinks I'm here, but actually I'm here. I haven't bothered updating it. And if I go to PSK reporter, we should be able to see what I've decoded so far. Now I'm using a wireless hotspot here, so some stuff in European Russia, South America, North America across the Caribbean. So let's actually go and have a look. So I've only been running it about 20 minutes, and what have we got? So we've got decodes United States, Hungary, Cuba, Scotland, Belarus, European Russia, those guys seem to be ubiquitous. Brazil, there we go, Cuba again. I thought I saw Chile here earlier. Norway, USA again, Norway, Brazil, Cuba, European Russia, Chile. So there you go. So there's a lot of decodes coming in here. Oh, there you go, just got one from Argentina. So my original conviction that there's less FT8 traffic in South America is only true at the time, because I was stuck in a hotel with a lot of noise. Oh, there you go, Colombia. So Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Brazil, South Americans coming in as you'd expect, United States. So there you go. When you run out of things to listen to on shortwave, there's always FT8. Well, I'm going to go to bed because I've been up for about 15 hours, 16 hours. Thanks for watching.